This is what happens to your gut when you eat pineapples. You will be amazed when we tell you that this powerful and super healthy spiky food can protect you from colon cancer and improve your health in general. And here comes the million-dollar question: what's the name of this fruit? Well, that's easy to answer. We're talking about the pineapple, the king of fruits. Just take a look at the video and find out more about this super healthy fruit and how to protect yourself from colon cancer. First, you should know that many different studies are showing that bromelain, a group of multifaceted enzymes found in the flesh and juice of pineapple, has powerful effects throughout the gastrointestinal tract. This enzyme was first identified in the late 1800s and it was then approved to treat swelling and inflammation. It works in part by quieting the molecules that activate the inflammatory process, and it is available as a supplement. Bromelain health benefit number 1. Study confirms. A recent study has revealed that bromelain and N-acetylcysteine work great as single agents, and in combination were assessed for their ability to treat human gastrointestinal carcinoma cell lines with different phenotypes and characteristics, and mechanisms of action were explored. Well, the experts have also discovered that the positive effects appeared to result from cell cycle arrest, apoptosis, scheduled death of cells, and degradation of unnecessary or dysfunctional cellular components. Bromelain health benefit number 2. And yes, another more recent study has investigated its bromelain's ability to stop and prevent the spread of cancerous cells and destroy them. Well, the experts have discovered that bromelain reduced cell proliferation and promoted the timely death of cancerous cells, thereby rendering them harmless. Note, and in addition to its powerful antioxidant properties, this powerful enzyme also downregulated the expression of genes known to promote cancer. In vivo, bromelain reduced the development of induced polyps and tumors. Bromelain health benefit number 3. A group of experts have examined the effects of bromelain in 4 human gastrointestinal cell lines. Well, they've discovered that bromelain had cytotoxic effects in a panel of human gastric and colon carcinoma cells, but left healthy cells untouched. You should also know that this powerful enzyme works through several mechanisms, including promoting the death of cancerous cells directly and impairing cancer cell survival by blocking pathways and reducing oncoproteins, which are proteins that can cause the transformation of a healthy cell into a cancerous cell. Bromelain health benefit number 4. Study confirms. A recent study has discovered long-term dietary supplementation with fresh or unpasteurized frozen pineapple juice decreases inflammation-associated neoplasia in the colon. Neoplasia is the formation or presence of new abnormal tissue growth. This is really amazing, right? Well, you should also know that another, more recent, study has documented the effectiveness of bromelain to shrink many kinds of tumors through its ability to dissolve fibrin, the protein-based defense material that coats many kinds of tumors. Bromelain was shown to be effective in stopping metastasis and protecting DNA formation. Bromelain versus Big Pharma. Here's what you need to know. Well, most of the pharmaceutical drugs which target specific spots in the body, natural medicines like bromelain, act broadly. Which means that you can use to treat and prevent many different health problems, and when you decide to make pineapple a staple in your diet or add a bromelain supplement to your daily routine, you will get its protection against many types of cancer. Pineapple, health benefits. Did you know that just 1 cup of pineapple chunks provides 131% of the RDA for vitamin C? Well, yes, and you should also know that pineapple is also a good source of many B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, the mineral most people are deficient in, heart-healthy potassium and beta-carotene. These nutrients aid in blood pressure control and prevention of macular degeneration and asthma. The best thing about this fruit is that it's easy and inexpensive to include pineapple on a regular basis. Pineapple is one of the foods that doesn't have a high pesticide load, either, according to the Environmental Working Group. It can be bought in a conventional grocery store already cored and ready to eat. Minimal processing of fruit, peeling, cutting, packaging, chilling, does not significantly affect its nutritional content for up to 9 days. This means you can easily pick up a ready-to-eat pineapple each week when you shop and eat a bit of it each day. And finally, there have been no reports whatsoever of anyone being harmed or killed by pineapple or bromelain. Well, this means one thing: you should consume pineapple every day. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. Thanks again and take care.